If you're building a business, growing a brand, or teaching others, or maybe just trying to figure out what works, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Course27.com, where you'll find practical training, ready to use resources, and tools that help you make real progress. You may want to start by exploring our store categories. We have tons of courses coming, and here's what we're filling up: AI and productivity for business, course creator and digital products, entrepreneur growth and strategy, marketing and lead generation, sales and customer success. Each course is focused, easy to follow, and built to help you take action. And we're just getting started. Our journey is to keep filling every category with powerful, actionable content, so each time you come back, there's something new to learn or teach. If you want to build your skills, grab the Learn It Edition. The Student Pass is designed for smart, fast progress. You get step-by-step video lessons, downloadable resources, and a short exam at the end of each course. Pass the exam, and you'll earn a course completion badge that you can be proud of. And yes, you get lifetime access. Are you looking to teach? The Instructor Edition gives you full rights to edit, brand, and add to any of your courses or programs. You'll get presentation slides, editable videos, quick capture, squeeze page funnels, and done-for-you marketing materials for each course. And here's a bonus. Every instructor who signs up with our Instructor Pass gets a free Pro profile at CourseProDirectory.com, so more students and businesses can discover your work. You can take one course at a time by shopping our products and selecting the courses that you want to take, or you can grab our Student Unlimited Learn It Edition Pass or our Instructor Unlimited Instructor Edition Pass, which means you'll get access to all current and new courses with your student or instructor pass. You can take one course at a time or join us on our journey and grab your pass today. And no matter where you begin or are on your journey, you can jump into our Course27 community. It's free to join, packed with fast-track lessons, helpful resources, and support from other learners and instructors. Whether you're learning it, teaching it, or building your own path, Course27 is here for you. Real training, real tools, real results. I look forward to seeing you inside the courses and in the community.